Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials: microphone access, speakers, and app permissions. Once granted, open the live translation feature and immediately choose the source and target languages. This directs the model how to listen and speak. Make sure noise reduction or background filtering is enabled if you're in public. Also, connect to a stable Wi-Fi or 4G network and plug in headphones to avoid feedback. These steps get you into a clean capture state, so the translation starts accurate and stays responsive. Now optimize how audio is captured and how you'll interact. Place the device about 1 to 2 feet from the speaker or connect an external microphone for multi-person environments. This improves clarity. Once done, adjust voice activity detection sensitivity so short pauses aren't mistaken for conversation end. Decide whether you want live subtitles, interpreted audio, or both, because each mode affects latency and readability. Finally, establish a simple turn-taking method, push-to-talk, a hand signal, or short deliberate pauses, to keep translations accurate and avoid overlap. Finish by verifying timing and quality. Watch subtitles while someone speaks for a few lines to confirm sync and readability. If you notice lag, increase buffer size or switch output to text only to reduce audio delay. If speech recognition repeatedly mishears terms, switch temporarily to manual text input or prompt speakers to enunciate key phrases. Should problems persist, restart the app, toggle the language pair, and ensure model or app updates are installed. This final cycle secures a reliable session and gives you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.